Hello everyone, it's Mohammed from 5 Drive School of Motoring. I hope you're doing great. This is a very short video and I need to share good news with you. For those who've been waiting to take lesson for a very long time, is basically the news for them, so they can really start their lessons again. As you can see in this email sent by DVSA this evening, not very long ago. The email clearly states that government has confirmed that driver and rider instructions can start from 4th of July 2020. So that is really the end of your wait. Meanwhile, the tests which were put on hold, DVSA will schedule them again, and they'll offer more theory tests to key worker, that is more theory test slots to the key worker, and that's it from me really, guys. So wish you all the best with your driving again. You guys will be a little bit rusty, but I'm sure you will smash it. So good luck with your driving again. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if there is any other news, I'll try and update you again. Thank you.